Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you are enjoying your spring so far. As for me, I am doing good. Today, I am going to be refreshing my dining room. So we're going to start by doing a little bit of cleaning and remove the old decor. There's nothing else to say, but let's get started. Okay, there is one more thing. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And to my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. Later on, I'm gonna go back and add another set of curtains in the middle to make it thicker and bring them closer to the ceiling. These curtains are perfect for this season to let sunlight in. Guys, I really like this lamp. I think it is super pretty. I got it from Home Goods. I really like the leopard print. I think it's going to be a great lamp for fall. So I'm gonna remove it for now and then I will bring it back during the fall season. I am going to replace it with this one that was in my bedroom. You guys have seen it a few times. Please stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'm gonna let you know where I purchased everything. And for my new friends, I got you. I'm gonna let you know where all the furniture came from. I do that every 6 months with all of my rooms to make sure no one left out. Also next week, Wednesday, April 28th, I am going to be in my husband's channel, I Live Life on Purpose. I'm gonna be sharing tips on how to turn your passion into profit. It's gonna be a live session at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Meanwhile, go check him out. He has some great video on his channel. Link for his channel will be in the description box and in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you there. When I do the reveal, you're gonna see that I removed the 2 small vases because I prefer the look with the big vase alone, but you may see them in 1 or 2 clips.
We drove to New Jersey, your eyes seemed I'd be worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you'd get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen. we drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seemed a bit worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you'd get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah. Nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this?
Guys, be sure to leave me some comments and show me some love. I read and answer to all of my comments. They are my fuel. Please keep them coming. I have to tell you, some of the things in this room were purchased a long time ago, over 4.5 years ago. So they are no longer available, but because I know I'm gonna have the questions, so I'm just gonna go ahead and answer them. The dining chair and the table is a set by a company called Sapavi. It's no longer available. The rug is from All Modern, not available either. The credenza, although I bought it at a local store, but I found it online, so you can definitely check it out. I will put the link in the description box. My glam lamps are from HomeSense. The tray and the candle holder are from Burlington. The crystal bottle is from Z Gallery. It is real crystal and it is super heavy. This is such a pretty vase. I love this style and I got it from Burlington. Of course, the flowers are from Hobby Lobby. On the video they look red, but they are pink actually. And the mirror is from Z Gallery. It is called the Access Mirror. If you don't find it on the website, that means it is out of stock. But sometimes you can call them, they will place the order for you and tell you when it will be delivered. The chandelier is from Lowe's. The curtains are from Home Goods, but you can find similar one on Amazon. I will leave a link. My beautiful glam vase is my new baby. It is from Z Gallery. You already know how I feel about it. So much glam. That's the reason I placed it on the table by itself, because it is a true statement piece. I was looking for a simple look, but yet very elegant. The minute I received this vase, I put it on Instagram because I was so excited. Yeah, if you want to see the latest update, you gotta check me out on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. I used to have a mirror in this corner. I removed it, but after that I felt like the corner was a bit empty. Now I have this table there. It is from Macy's Backstage. The Chanel book is from Amazon, and the small book on top of it is from Hobby Lobby. And the big vase is from Home Goods as well. I bought it so many years ago. One of my favorite of all time. These beautiful branches are from Hobby Lobby. The wall arts are from HomeSense. That concludes the update and the tour. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your family. And do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I will see you on the next one. I love you always. Bye-bye.
Tonight, baby, can we see this as a lesson?